vast landscape of digital marketing, one giant stands the test of time: SEO. Its impact reverberates across the online realm, shaping the success of businesses and content creators alike. Understanding the intricate dance between SEO and digital marketing is crucial for anyone navigating the virtual marketplace. Let's delve into the core of this digital powerhouse. SEO isn't just a tool. It's a strategic approach that can elevate your online presence to new heights. The importance of SEO cannot be overstated in today's competitive digital landscape. Digital marketing thrives on the foundation laid by SEO. From enhancing visibility to driving organic traffic, SEO is the cornerstone of a successful online marketing strategy. Marketers, business owners, and content creators alike rely on the principles of SEO to amplify their reach and connect with their target audience effectively. Unlocking the true potential of SEO requires a deep understanding of its nuances and the ever-evolving digital landscape. Stay ahead by mastering the art of SEO. As the digital realm continues to expand, the role of SEO remains paramount. Embrace the power of SEO to propel your digital presence towards success. The journey through the intricacies of SEO and digital marketing is a rewarding one. Stay informed, stay optimized, and watch your online presence flourish. In a world where visibility is key, SEO serves as the guiding light that illuminates the path to online relevance and prominence. Educate, optimize, and conquer the digital realm with the timeless strategies of SEO. Let your online presence echo with the resonance of effective SEO practices. As we navigate the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, remember that SEO stands as a stalwart ally in the quest for online supremacy. The heartbeat of successful digital campaigns often syncs with the rhythm of SEO. Harness its power to drive your online initiatives towards triumph. SEO isn't just about ranking higher. It's about crafting meaningful connections with your audience and establishing a lasting digital footprint. The digital landscape is ever evolving, but the essence of SEO remains constant: to lead, to adapt, and to thrive in the vast expanse of the online world. Embrace the power of SEO as a beacon of guidance in the digital storm. Let its principles steer your online presence towards stability and growth. For marketers, business owners, and content creators, SEO isn't just a strategy. It's a philosophy that shapes the very core of their digital endeavors. In the realm of digital marketing, the legacy of SEO endures as a timeless testament to the art of strategic online visibility and impact. As we conclude our exploration of SEO's significance in the digital domain, remember, the key to unlocking digital success often starts with three simple letters: SEO.